Welcome to Embsew. Hi friend, today I'm sharing how to embroider chain stitch. The chain stitch is one of the oldest and common stitches you would find. To do the chain stitch, bring your needle up through from the back of the fabric and then take your needle back down through that same hole. Leave a little loop. Bring your needle up through the center of this loop and then pull it too tight. Do the same, go back down through the hole inside of that last stitch. Leave a loop. Bring your needle up through the center of that loop, then pull gently. Continue this process. And then for last stitch, go back down the needle position in the center of the hoop and insert the needle outwards to secure the final stitch. And I will use chain stitch to embroider a bunch of grapes. Please follow along to see how I embroider. Why don't you hesitate to give me a like to show that you watched this video? And I hope you like these quick tutorial videos. Thank you very much.